For 52 years, folks, Johnson Pump has made outstanding marine equipment. And one of the things that we have installed on our boat is the Johnson Pump washdown kit. How valuable is this?
It's very valuable, especially when I tend to spill worms and dirt all over the boat. It's easily cleaned up by the Johnson Pump.
71 PSI. This thing is really powerful. Look at all the dirt in our boat there that you ground into the carpet. And what I do is just take the Johnson Pump washdown kit at the end of the day and really cleans out the boat thoroughly. And I mean thoroughly.
And it only takes a few minutes.
Blake, one other thing that's exceptional about the Johnson Pump washdown kit is the hose. First of all, it stretches out to 25 feet. 3/4 inch inner diameter, which gives it maximum power. This thing can really clean. There's so many people using pontoon boats nowadays, and you leave your pontoon boat tied up to the pier at night. You got bird stuff on it in the morning, and there's algae and there's mud. This is a great unit for a pontoon. These are great, folks. Keep your boat clean, and we use them all the time.